Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you some of the news products on my right hand. These are countertop stylings, electric griddles, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's overall length, about like a 24 inches. And the depth of the unit is about like a 19 and 1/4 inches deep. Also, the overall height is about the unit is about like a 13 and 1/8 inches tall. For the cooking area, this cooking pan almost about like a 24 inches wide and they're about like a 15.5 inches deep. For the thickness, this area is almost about like a 3/4 inches thickness. And we can see the front of the unit. They come with a couple of switches, and they do having the temperature adjuster for two sides, and the heating lights, and all the indicator lights on the front, powers, and also we having the temperature adjustable from the 150 Fahrenheit to the 570s. And the other side of the unit, they have a small hose. You can clean all the surface dust to this hole, and they have a drain board here. You can just take it out and clean the inside. When we're looking at the behind of the units, the manufacturer gives you the standard 110 plugs head right here. Actually, this is a commercial stylings, so one plug switcher is different the side. And looking the behind of the unit sticker, they give you the ETL sanitation sticker on it too. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.